if it pumps, you're not going to catch the rally because it pumps very hard when it does so. You can watch the previous candles. When it starts pumping, it never stops. And the same thing can repeat itself. Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will revisit the Spark token with the ticker SPK once again and tell you whether it's time for it to pump once again. The token has shown a very good momentum in the past and hit all-time high of nearly close to 20 cents before crashing down, and right now I believe is a good buying opportunity because right now is the time when you collect SPK tokens and wait for the bulls to come back. Like I said in my previous videos, the token will crash from 8 cents, and it did crash to nearly to 6 cents and gone below 6 cents, but right now recovering meanwhile. So in this video I will tell you whether or not it's a best buying time for this token or should you wait, and what is a future price prediction for SPK token, because this guy is carrying a TVL of nearly $7 billion, which is huge for a new project. Also, being part of a bigger ecosystem has its own reward. So let's talk about Spark and let's study this price action. Now, before I begin, let me just tell you that if you're liking my charts, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already. And if you want more ideas about the trading tokens, the new emerging potential tokens, you can click on the link below and of course join me on my Telegram group. So let's talk about Spark here. So Spark, you have seen, has started on Binance listing on nearly June and then dumped, then suddenly pumped to all-time high of close to 20 cents, then crashed. So we have observed the chart previously also, but let's look at the monthly and weekly to get an idea where we're heading. So the monthly looks good. The second month was very good, then it declined and now stagnated. We look at the weekly chart and see here where is the momentum. So weekly looks like making a higher highs, higher lows, which is kind of bullish in the short term. Since it's a new chart, we cannot derive any pure technical analysis by looking at the weekly chart, though it looks very bullish to me. So we have to go down to the lower time frame, especially daily and 4-hour chart, to get some analysis. And like I said in the last video, the token is best for DCAing, which is dollar cost averaging, and will soon pump again. So here you have seen when I covered it first time, it was at around 8 cents and declined. It declined and hit nearly 6 cents, then again declined. But there is very interesting thing that is happening. It is not going down further. Look at this high test candle, this one, which is very bearish. Despite this two bearish candle, which is your this one here and this one here, this token is refusing to crash further, which actually is kind of strange, and that means people have started accumulating SPK token. You can see here just after it failed to go down more, you can see green candles on the consecutive days, which means first, second, and third day, it is still going on. And right now, as I speak, we're in the key resistance zone, which is this red lines, your favorite retracement line, this one here. And if it breaks it, like 50 EMA, 20 EMA, this red line, if it breaks this line today or tomorrow or maybe this week, it is going to rally very, very high. That is my prediction. That means it can really pump very hard and can touch previous all-time high, which stands at nearly 20 cent. So that is my belief. So right now what I'm doing is I've started DCAing. So I don't want to miss out on it. Of course, if it crashes, I can still DCA. For right now, I've started investing from yesterday and have put part of my money in these candles here and here. And of course, I will be watching it because if it pumps, you're not going to catch the rally because it pumps very hard when it does so. You can watch the previous candles. When it starts pumping, it never stops. And the same thing can repeat itself. If it starts pumping, you won't get time to enter into this trade. So that is why I prefer to DCA right now and start accumulating small amount of SPK tokens with time, looking at the price, looking at the pullback, and try to buy it if you love DeFi protocols, especially the Spark coin. Even if you look at the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, you can see closely here they have also shown some resilience in the past. And this is the trend line. This trend is declining, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, which is bearish. But then again, it stopped making those lower highs, lower lows, and now making higher highs, higher lows. If it sustained the momentum for this week or maybe next, I think we will see a massive run to the upside and massive pump which is coming for Spark token. Given the fact that TVL, which is total value logged, is not declining, it's tagged at $7 billion. Now guess what? If it pumped back to 8 billion, or let's say touch 10 billion, that will be a huge pump. Given the supply is 10 billion and right now the circulation supply is just 1.6 billion token, it can easily targets $1 in 2025 if the alt season begins. And looking at the smart contract, we are still very early, just 10,000 holders, 10,500 nearly, and a lot of room for it to grow further. So I will be bullish on this token. I will be buying it since it's listed on Binance. There's a layer of security in it. So I think it's a decent buy for the bull run, for the alt season. And I think the price is very good at the moment and you should consider it. Of course, DIOR, but I believe this has a very good upside moving forward and a big pump for this token is imminent. That is my belief. What are your thoughts about it? Will you be buying it? Comment below, let me know. And of course, if you're liking my video, please press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in a new video with a new content and a new potential token. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.